Hello. Today I'll share a way you can use a free plugin to create some modern UI sounds. The plugin I'll be using is called ReaFIR. This is a stock plugin from ReaFIR. It's also available as a VST if you wanted to use it with another DAW. It has a bunch of different modes, but the one we'll be interested in is Subtract. This mode is quite good for noise reduction. If you were wanting to use it for denoising, then you'd send in a sample of the noise you want to remove from a signal, and then click Automatically Build Noise Profile, and then it will remove the noise for you. We'll be using it in quite a different way. To start with, I'd find a fairly complex input sound. I'll start with a recording of a Flexatone. Now if we turn on ReaFIR, then tick Automatically Build Noise Profile, and then play that sound through. It gradually fills this graph based on the sound. We can now untick Automatically Build Noise Profile. It will remove any sound that falls below this red line. But if we play this back, we'll sometimes hear small little snippets getting through. More sounds will make it through if I lower this graph, which you can do by holding Control and then click and drag downward. If you adjust that to taste, we can take the output signal and use it to create UI sounds. With the default FFT size, it can sound quite tonal. But if we lower the FFT size and then recapture the noise, it'll sound a lot more clicky and atonal. I'll play this and then I'll use the Global Sampler plugin to grab snippets that I like. I'll put these on a new track. We can also send different source material into ReaFIR. This is a glockenspiel. Here are some jingle bells. Here are some bird sounds. And here's some glass smashing. We can also draw on the graph ourselves if we want to modify it deliberately. I'll remove the low end by just drawing a line like this. Now we've captured some source material. A lot of it's quite quiet, so I'm going to normalize it, and I'll pick out the bits I like best. I'll now make a kind of modern clicky UI sound. This sound has quite a good click to it. I'll boost its high end a bit. This might make a nice tail. This one I'll just mix in quietly. Another little click sound here. I'll shorten this one. I'll use this one to add some brightness to the later part of the sound. I'll use this one at the start as well. Here's all of those together. I'll try out a bit more processing in Snap Heap. I quite like ensemble for this sort of thing. Bit of distortion. I'll do a bit of a mid cut, I think. To make it not overly bright, I'll add a slight low pass filter. Here's how it sounds with a bit of ring mod. Thanks for watching.